Will the recession affect your money in 2025? Imagine this. It's 2025. You wake up, check your bank account, and feel a sudden pit in your stomach. Headlines scream about market crashes, layoffs, and rising prices. But here's the real question. Will this recession actually derail your financial future? Or is there a way to not just survive, but thrive? This isn't just another economy talk video. This is your wake-up call. Because what we're about to discuss could determine whether 2025 is the year you fall behind or the year you take control of your financial destiny. And by the way, if you think recessions only affect the big guys on Wall Street, think again. In fact, they can hit your wallet faster than you can say, "What's inflation?" But don't worry, I've got a plan for you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only know how a recession could impact your money, but also how to recession-proof your finances, even if you're just starting out. Let's get into it. The confrontation point 1, how recessions impact everyday people. Recessions aren't just numbers on a spreadsheet. They're personal. Layoffs spike, grocery bills climb, and suddenly that dream of saving for a house feels like it's slipping away. Did you know that during the last recession, nearly 22 million Americans lost their jobs? That's not just a statistic. It's someone's rent payment, someone's student loan bill. Maybe you're even wondering, what if that's me this time? Here's a quick question. Would you rather wrestle a bear or try to navigate job applications during a recession? Exactly. Neither is fun, but at least with the bear, you know what you're up against. But here's the good news. The power isn't entirely out of your hands. Let's talk about where you should focus your energy right now. Point 2, what you can do today to protect your money. The first step to recession-proofing your finances is understanding the power of preparation. And no, I'm not just talking about cutting out your Starbucks runs, though it wouldn't hurt. Start building an emergency fund if you haven't already. 3 to 6 months of expenses is the golden rule, but even a few $100 can act as a cushion. Remember, when things go south, cash is king. Imagine the peace of mind you'll feel knowing that no matter what happens, you've got a safety net. That's not just financial security, that's freedom. Oh, and if you're thinking, but where do I even find the money to save? Remember those subscription services you haven't used in months? Yeah, they're your new emergency fund. But saving is just one piece of the puzzle. What if I told you there's a way to actually grow your money during a recession? Intrigued? Let's dive in. Point 3, investing during a recession. Yes, really. Here's a little secret the wealthy don't want you to know. Recessions are one of the best times to invest. Why? Because when the market dips, it's like a clearance sale for stocks. But here's the catch. You've got to play it smart. Focus on index funds or ETFs that track the entire market. These are safer bets than trying to predict the next Tesla. Think about it. The decisions you make now could mean the difference between struggling to catch up in your 30s and retiring early. Which future do you want? Quick reality check. If you're waiting for a perfect time to invest, you'll be waiting forever. Spoiler alert, the perfect time is yesterday. The second best time, right now. But investing isn't just about stocks. Let's talk about another area you can recession-proof. Your career. Point 4, investing in yourself. During a recession, your most valuable asset isn't your 401k or your savings account. It's you. Upskilling, networking, and staying ahead in your field can make you recession-resistant. Imagine walking into a room, knowing you've got skills no recession can take away. That's power. That's confidence. Here's a fun thought. Why not swap an hour of scrolling through TikTok for an hour learning a high-income skill? Trust me, your future self will thank you. And speaking of future-proofing, there's one more thing you need to know about recessions. The resolution, point 5. Why recessions are opportunities in disguise. Recessions aren't just periods of loss. They're also moments of opportunity. Businesses innovate, new markets emerge, and those who stay prepared often come out ahead. Imagine looking back at 2025 and saying, that was the year I took control. That was the year everything changed. Let me ask you this. Are you going to be a spectator or a player in this game? Because recessions don't wait for anyone. So here's the bottom line. The recession might be coming, but it doesn't have to derail your life. Start building your safety net, learn to invest wisely, and invest in yourself. The sooner you start, the sooner you'll be prepared, no matter what happens next. Hit that subscribe button for more actionable tips to help you thrive financially, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Remember, your future self is counting on you. Let's make 2025 your breakthrough year.